Ever feel like you're stuck in a maze of empty promises about how to make money online? Asterisk, you're not alone. You've seen the flashy thumbnails, bold claims, and endless gurus who made it overnight with secret methods. But behind all that noise is a reality no one talks about. At Asterisk Tips and Tricks Pro, we're cutting through the hype and giving you the truth. If you're ready for real, doable online business ideas that don't waste your time or money, stick around. And yes, there's a little surprise waiting for you at the end. Maybe you've tried affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or Amazon FBA, only to realize it's a lot harder than it looks on YouTube. Maybe you've asked yourself, is this just not for me? But here's the truth, it's not that these methods don't work. It's that they don't work the same way for everyone. I've been in your shoes. I tried selling services on Fiverr, no bites. I gave trading a shot and watched my money vanish. It felt like every method worked. Just not for me. But the real issue? Most online income strategies take time, learning, and patience. They require effort more than most people are willing to admit. So the real question becomes, what's actually worth your time and energy? After digging deep into all the options, I found 2 online business ideas that offer real potential with minimal upfront costs and a clear path forward. Let's break them down. Bluebook business idea number 2, Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Amazon's KDP platform lets you publish books that sell worldwide without touching inventory. You can market these books using paid ads, or better yet, take the free route with TikTok. Here's how it works. Asterisk, use hashtags related to books and journals. Asterisk, post 2 to 3 short videos a day showing off your product. Asterisk, watch what goes viral, then recreate that formula. This works especially well with journals, coloring books, and funny or niche-specific content. Let's say you price a book at $16 and a TikTok video hits 100,000 views. Even if just 1% of viewers buy it, that's around asterisk $7,000 earned asterisk, with nearly zero investment. That's the power of viral content paired with a smart product. White heavy checkmark steps to get started. 1. Create a KDP account. 2. Design and upload your book. 3. Start a TikTok profile. 4. Post daily content. 5. Double down on what performs best. Movie camera business idea number 1, YouTube channel creation. This is my personal favorite and where Tips and Tricks Pro started. YouTube can be incredibly profitable if you understand 2 key metrics. Asterisk CPM, cost per 1,000 views advertisers pay. Asterisk RPM, revenue you actually receive. The formula is simple. Choose a niche you're passionate about, do solid research, and create valuable content. Here's your blueprint. 1. Pick a niche with high engagement and potential earnings. 2. Understand your target audience. 3. Write scripts, design thumbnails, and create videos. 4. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags. 5. Monitor click-through rate and watch time. The secret? Make videos that people want to click and love to finish. That's how YouTube recommends your content and how your channel grows. And if your goal is bigger than just side income, consider outsourcing. Hiring help can multiply your output and fast-track your growth. Both of these paths work, but only if you're consistent and willing to grow through trial and error. You'll hit roadblocks. That's part of the game. But every challenge makes you sharper, more confident, and better prepared for the next step. And like I promised, I've created a downloadable file that breaks down asterisk all the legit ways to make money online, so you can decide what's right for asterisk you. You'll find the link in the description. Backhand index pointing down, comment below with your online business journey, we'd love to hear it. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to asterisk like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a real tip from Tips and Tricks Pro.